Very rude, no. Show center finger at me, no. Show video of young girl. You are very rude, no. You show video at me, no. Very rude, no. Your brother tried to run away because center finger. I'm standing here. He want to knock me down with the side mirror. Very, very rude. No, I don't care. Hey, hello, excuse me. You know the rule regulation or not? Do you know the rule regulation or not? If you understand, you should stand up for uncle. You should tell your brother, smart enough, okay? Say sorry to me. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. I'm angry because your brother show center finger at me. No, don't talk. A man, a young man, show center finger at me. He is in the wrong, okay? Sorry, no kill. I want to call police. You want to escape? I'll let you escape. You let me talk to your mother. I go down, you open the window. Okay, you open the window. Open the window. Okay, open the window. Open the window. I'm going down. I want to settle problem with you. If you don't want to settle like a man, you unact. I'm not here. I'm invisible. Up to you. I want to talk gentlemen with you. Young girl, you better know what is education, girl. Your brother point center finger at me. You want to keep, you still want to stand beside your brother? Good. You very good. This is how your brother teach you how driving on the road. You can point any center finger to other people, other road user. Okay? Is it the right way? You tell me, is it the right way? I wait for the police.